Realidad ng buhay abroad. Life abroad is a mix of challenges and blessings. Mahirap mamuhay malayo sa pamilya at mga kaibigan. But I feel blessed because when we arrive in New Zealand, kasama ko agad ang aking asawa at mga anak. Still, we often find ourselves missing the Philippines, lalo na ang mga magulang, kapatid at kaibigan namin doon. Iba pa rin ang may malalapitan at may hinga ng tulong lalo na sa pag-aalaga ng mga bata. Pero dito sa New Zealand, nakahanap kami ng mga taong tinuturing naming pamilya. We found a church that welcomed us with open arms. Jesus First Christian Ministry. Sila ang naging lakas namin, mga kapwa Pinoy na laging nandyan para magbigay ng gabay at suporta. If you're looking for a family here in New Zealand, the JFCM family is here to welcome you. Life abroad isn't easy. It becomes bearable and even joyful when you have a community that feels like home. Para sa katulad namin na nagtatrabaho sa abroad, it's these connections that keep us strong and remind us na kahit saan man tayo dalhin ng buhay, we can find a home and a family.